Who told you you are behind? Behind who? Based on whose timeline? And since when did your healing and your growth have a deadline? Maybe you are not behind. Maybe you are rebuilding. Today, I want to talk about how rebuilding looks like. So, if you are currently rebuilding silently, this video is for you. The idea or the notion that you are behind is an illusion. I get it. Social media makes us think we are not doing enough. We are behind. Maybe we are wasting time. But mind you, no single person is showing their struggles, their hustles, their pain, their hurts on social media. All we see is happy pictures, happy videos, people presenting what they want you to see, like their life is perfect. And it's a bit frustrating when your mates or your colleagues are getting married, having children, having better careers, elevating in life, and there you are in stillness, nothing really going on as you want or imagine. But comparison is a trap. Comparison is how you lose your true essence. It's how you delay your own progress. Because every single soul is here to live in their true self, to walk in their true path, to live in their authenticity. So, whoever you are comparing yourself to is living their path, is living for them. Your path is different. You are here to live for you. You are here to stand out, to grow, to learn, to evolve. Every single soul is here for their own purpose. I get it. Sometimes it gets difficult because you feel like every single person you know is winning, and there you are, nothing really going on. But rebuilding is different from stagnation. Rebuilding looks like friends falling away, partners, relationships that you thought would last forever dissolving. It's you putting your finances together and then outgrowing old versions of you that do not serve who you want to become or who you are becoming. It is slow, it is lonely, it is boring because growth isn't loud. Growth moves in fragments. Growth looks like you are losing every single thing before it looks like you are gaining. Rebuilding yourself is very intentional, and sometimes the progress you see is not progress that is stable. I'm not going to sit here and say that rebuilding is comfortable. No, it's very uncomfortable because you are outgrowing every version of you that do not align with who you want to become. Your nervous system is adjusting to who you are becoming, and the ego hates to start over. So it makes it hard and difficult to be in a phase where you have to rebuild yourself to the version you want to see in your life. If you are currently rebuilding yourself, don't give up, don't look back, keep going because growth is very surgical. Growth is like pruning whatever do not serve you out of your life, and it gets lonely, it gets boring, it gets uncomfortable. But that is how you meet your real self and you find your purpose and what makes you happy, what sets your soul on fire. So continue doing the most sacred inner work. But mind you, you are not here to be digestible into the system. You are here to stand out. You are here to shine so loud, so bold, to be unmistakably you. You are not here to be a second option in your own life. You are here to see you grow, to see you elevate, to see you evolve. So rebuilding is not weakness. It's not stagnation. When you are currently rebuilding, the awareness is the key. Because I always say that awareness is the key to disrupt everything or start everything you want in your life. Because you can't change what you are not aware of. The fact that you are aware that you are rebuilding is enough. If you are in a state where you question what you used to accept, you tolerate less, you are aware of what you want and who you want to become, these are signs you are rebuilding. If you are accountable for your actions, your choices, your habits, you are rebuilding silently. And before you know it, it will be so loud and visible for people to notice. So keep going and never ever look back because this is evolution. This is maturity. You are detoxing from old patterns, old programming. You are outgrowing every version of you that do not serve who you are becoming. So everything you clung onto will disappear. So I want you to stop saying, I am late, I am behind, I wasted time, and start saying, I am rebuilding correctly. You do not own anyone timeline for your growth. Your timeline isn't delayed, it is being prepared. Growth is not something you rush. Rushed growth collapses the fastest. So keep rebuilding, keep elevating, keep aligning yourself with what you want to see in your physical reality. Always remember you are never behind or never late. Every single thing meant for you will find you. You just have to keep making choices, habits, actions that aligns with who you want to become. If this message speaks to you, subscribe because here we talk about healing, alignment, intuition, regulation, reprogramming of the mind. I am Akua Ohene Safo. I will see you in the next video.